How can your wife be in Canada with children? You are here. Thank you. All of you who are doing those marriages, better call yourself to order. Your wife is in London with children. You are here. Thank you. It will never work. She will have assistant husband. You have assistant wife. It will never work. Nature boss vacuum. If you firewood, your wife go there in London, you there here. So like last night it rained, so it would. It rained heavily. Inside winter, you know they there. She go tell you no winter, thank you. Deceive yourself. It will never work. Every woman lacks somebody around her. When they say two, give heat. Exercise is true. So when winter, she turn her hand. No man. Yeah, no heat. He said one will force the other will lift him. You think God is stupid? So go and find out. Go and what? Don't be arrogant. You don't know prosperity. You think oil company is the wealth. No. The oil company does not bring wealth. And most of them are so arrogant. So what? So arrogant. So they married 3, 4, 5 wives at the age of 45. He has married 2 wives at the age of 45. The women are not the problem, it's the problem. The women